Hey guys, welcome back to Super Slick Slimes. I'm Ella, and today I will be reviewing my friend's slimes they gave me. And by the way, today is my birthday, and that's why they gave me these slimes. So first up, we're going to go with Emma's slime. This is Emma right here. Go follow her. Yeah. And so this is the slime she gave me. It's pink on the top and purple on the bottom, and it has all these glitters, and I'm really excited to review it. So I'm going to put the camera right here so you can get like a good look at it. So yeah. So guys, here is the slime. It's like really nice and glittery. I'm gonna open it now. Oh my gosh, look at that. That looks so cool. Oh my gosh. So here is the slime. Oh, I can like feel the glitter in it. Oh my gosh. So here is the slime. Oh, it's so stretchy. And Emma, you wanted me to do this swirl. So here it is. Ooh, this is so nice. It's so glittery, and I'm mixing it in, and it's like this really nice purple color with all like these like pink glitters in it and stuff like that. And it's not too sticky, and it's definitely not hard. So I really like that. But the favorite thing about the slime is it's just like so pretty. So thank you, Emma, for this slime. It's really nice. You guys should go check her out because this slime is so beautiful, so stretchy. And so let's get on to the next slime. Okay guys, now I'm going to review another slime. This is a slime that my friend Kyla gave to me. Hi Kyla, shout out to you. And it's like green and like pinkish orange color. And it has googly eyes. So now I'm going to open it. So I think that one of the googly eyes fell into here. I think they're supposed to like stay on this thing, but that's okay. So now I'm going to show you guys mixing while like playing with slime.
Oh, really?
This is really nice. It's so stretchy.
Yeah, Kevin's not going to take a picture. Even if you tell him to take a picture, yeah.
That's something I would like to show.
So these are the slimes. They're really pretty. They're stretchy. And I love the colors. They're really nice. Now I'm going to make some like avalanche slime, but I don't want to mix all of them. So I'm just going to get like half of them. So I'm going to like get like half like that much. I'm going to put that in the bottom of the first half of the container. And then this half like right on the top of it. And I'm going to wait until they kind of like mix together. And I'll show you when it's done. Okay guys, I'm in my room now because I did not feel like going downstairs. But, so, here is the slime all mixed. It's been like this for a couple days now. So, ooh, it looks so like satisfying. So I'm mixing this together and I'm gonna see which color it makes because yeah. And it turned out like this orangey green color, more like green. Well, I mixed like orange and green pretty much, but see, it's like this color. But so now on to the last review. So this slime I got today, and it was from Anastasia. As you can see right here, this was a very funny picture to take. Okay, hi Anastasia, shout out to you. Now this slime smells so good. It smells like shaving cream. So I didn't even touch it yet, but as you can see, it's like a teal color. Hi guys. Sorry that you had to survive that fall. I don't have my tripod right now. But this is the slime. Ooh. It feels like a stress ball. It's like really like nice and like squishy. So. Okay guys. I'm going to try this one more time. But this is not that stretchy. It's okay though. But like I wish I could like put this in a balloon and like it could be like a really nice stress ball. This is like a really nice stress ball, guys. It's like such a nice color. Like it matches my room. You're gonna kind of see like my room, kind of. And it smells so good. It smells like shaving cream. That's probably why it's not that stretchy, because shaving cream makes it a little bit like not stretchier. So when the shaving cream deflates, it'll probably be a lot more stretchy. Ooh, and comment down below what your favorite slime in all of these slimes were. This slime, or the purple slime that Emma gave me. And also comment down below if I should do a makeover on this slime. I feel like I should like try to like make it more stretchy and like do something really cool with it. So comment down below, and if you like this video, then subscribe. The little slime wants you guys to subscribe. Okay? And like this video, because that would be really nice. I really want to make money off of YouTube. Now I'm just talking away. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!